Have you ever imagined launching an online store that combines the visual polish of a premium brand with the power and flexibility of a fully functional e-commerce powerhouse? The moment you open the WoodMart demo, you'll immediately feel the sophistication, crisp layouts, seamless filtering, elegant headers, and a fluid shopping experience that speaks to both design lovers and conversion-driven entrepreneurs. This is not just a WordPress theme. It is a proven, high-performance foundation to build a scalable e-commerce business, one that can support everything from boutique shops to multi-vendor marketplaces, all with complete control. WoodMart is more than a simple WooCommerce theme, it's an advanced, enterprise-capable solution optimized for speed, usability, and extensibility. Designed with a deep understanding of both retail and web technologies, WoodMart uses powerful AJAX mechanisms to deliver instantaneous filtering, search, and cart interactions, creating a user journey that feels smooth, modern, and fast. Customers don't just browse, they glide through your catalog, adjusting filters, adding variations, and selecting product swatches without waiting for page reloads. That kind of experience dramatically reduces friction, keeps shoppers engaged, and encourages exploration. On your side as the store owner, WoodMart gives you a level of customization and flexibility that's rarely available in off-the-shelf themes. You have access to a drag-and-drop header builder, letting you create your header exactly as you want, sticky or transparent, with mega menus that can display rich content, images, icons, and complex navigation structures. You can control everything from layout to typography, colors to spacing, thanks to a powerful theme settings panel that puts design power in your hands. No code required. You can change fonts, color palettes, product swatch styles, headers, footers, and more through a familiar WordPress dashboard, making your store truly your own. Performance is baked into WoodMart's architecture. The theme uses a smart loading system that only includes CSS and JavaScript where needed, reducing page size and improving load times. Images are lazily loaded, and scripts are optimized to minimize requests. This means your store can perform like a lean, lightning-fast machine, something that Google loves, and that customers feel. Fast websites mean lower bounce rates and higher conversion, especially on mobile, and WoodMart is fully responsive and retina-ready, making sure your site looks sharp on every device. SEO is also a first-class citizen. WoodMart's clean, semantic codebase and compatibility with popular SEO plugins like Yoast or RAG Math help you get discovered. You can build schema-rich product pages, optimize metadata, and rely on well-structured HTML to boost your SEO performance. The combination of speed optimization and SEO readiness positions your store to perform well in search engines, helping you attract organic traffic without compromising design. One of the most exciting aspects of WoodMart lies in its huge library of pre-built demo sites and sections. With over 70 ready-to-use demo layouts, you can launch stores for fashion, electronics, furniture, jewelry, cosmetics, sports gear, or almost any niche you can think of. More than 370 pre-made sections let you mix and match headers, product layouts, landing pages, and blog templates, so you can quickly assemble a website that's unique and optimized for sales. Whether you want to start with a clean minimal store or a rich magazine-style retail site, WoodMart gives you the building blocks. Product presentation is another place where WoodMart shines. It supports advanced variable products, allowing attributes and swatches to be displayed elegantly without page reloads. You can let customers choose color, size, style, or other product variations directly on the shop page, and the cart updates seamlessly. Quick view pop-ups, product comparison, wish lists, and infinite scroll all come out of the box, so you don't need to rely on a dozen plugins. Everything essential is already integrated and optimized. Beyond aesthetics and performance, WoodMart scales for business operations. It works with multi-vendor plugins like Token, WCFM Marketplace, WC Marketplace, WC Vendors, and more. This means you can transform your single-store WordPress site into a full marketplace where third-party vendors list products, you take commissions, and your business scales without managing inventory yourself. Introducing a marketplace business model opens up powerful revenue opportunities. You can earn from listing fees, vendor commissions, premium vendor subscriptions, or featured vendor placements. The admin experience is built for growth too. With WoodMart's intuitive theme panel, you can manage design settings, configure product filters, set rules for product swatches, and design custom headers or footers. You don't need to be a developer, yet you have full control over the visual identity. At the same time, developers can extend the theme easily. WoodMart is built with clean, object-oriented standards, so it's maintainable and scalable for future enhancements or custom functionality. In terms of business monetization, WoodMart is a goldmine. By offering a refined store experience, you can confidently sell high-margin products and build a brand that customers trust. Your polished, fast, mobile-optimized store boosts conversion rates, increases average order values, and encourages repeat purchases. If you launch a niche store, you can focus on curated collections, flash sales, or limited edition items, relying on WoodMart's countdown timers, promotional banners, and AJAX filters to drive urgency and improve conversion without needing multiple add-ons. If you want a more sustainable revenue model, you can enable subscription-based products, for example, membership boxes, replenishable goods, or recurring digital product offerings, and because WoodMart integrates well with WooCommerce subscriptions, you can provide a seamless subscription checkout experience. You could also offer premium content, exclusive product drops, or VIP member access, leveraging the built-in theming and layout flexibility to highlight what matters most. Scaling globally is another key advantage. WoodMart supports multi-language via WPML or Polylang, and even RTL, right to left, languages are supported in demos. This means you can launch your store for a global audience, customizing content, currency, and language to suit local preferences. Your design isn't an obstacle, it's an accelerator for international growth. Marketing is more powerful with WoodMart. Built-in capabilities like live AJAX search, instant filtering, and mega menus help users find products faster and more intuitively. You can embed promotional banners, product sliders, and featured content sections anywhere on your site. Thanks to integration with popular marketing plugins and tools, you can sync with MailChimp, run newsletter campaigns, trigger pop-ups, and collect emails in high-conversion areas. Analytics and conversion tracking also become easier because your theme structure supports schema markup and clean templates. From a cost perspective, investing in WoodMart is a smart move. Building a high-performance, brand-worthy e-commerce storefront from scratch would require a team of designers, developers, front-end experts, and performance optimizers. But with WoodMart, you get years of professional design, optimization, and code refinement bundled into one. The theme offers lifetime updates, active support, and rich documentation, so your initial cost gives you a long-term foundation. You can spend your time and budget on user acquisition, inventory sourcing, and marketing, rather than reinventing the wheel. Long-term, your platform isn't just a storefront, it's a scalable, sellable business. A well-performing WooCommerce store with strong design, optimized performance, and recurring customer engagement becomes a valuable digital asset. You can scale via new product lines, vendor partners, or geographic expansion. If you ever decide to exit, you have a business with real value, not only in inventory but in a quality, high-conversion website built on a trusted, update-supported theme. Your role evolves from someone who builds a basic website to someone who operates a polished, conversion-optimized retail or a marketplace business. You're not just a store owner, you're a digital retailer, a brand builder, a marketplace architect. With WoodMart, you gain the design tools, performance edge, and scalable infrastructure to grow confidently, compete with major e-commerce brands, and build a lasting online revenue machine. WoodMart is not just a theme. It's a business engine, a launchpad for e-commerce entrepreneurship, and a strategic foundation for building a polished, high-performance store or marketplace. If you're ready to make your mark in retail, sell products with style and speed, and scale globally, WoodMart offers the most complete and powerful foundation you can build on, without starting from zero.